Since cyanoacrylates are somewhat toxic and we can't use them in food preparation areas, we need to look for a glue that is food safe if we want to be able to mend a broken cup or a platter. So JB Clear Weld is the go-to in this case. Sold in a plunger with dual barrel plunger. This helps you make sure that you get exactly the same ratio of the two products. You have a resin and an activator. And so usually in this case we're going to mix it before we apply it. So I recommend using a coated paper plate, something you can dispose of when you're finished. We're going to squirt some of this onto the plate and then mix it up with a popsicle stick and then apply it to the platter. Get it thoroughly mixed. It's all in uniform color. And we may need to mix up a couple batches of this. You don't want to mix up more than you can use at a time. So here is a platter that we want to glue. So we're going to go ahead and start working with just one piece at a time. All right, definitely I did press some glue out, which I don't want to be visible on the top of the plate when we're finished here. So I'm going to set that down and I'm going to see if I can clean some of that up with some acetone. Now acetone is exactly the same as nail polish remover. Crack is basically invisible. It's very hard to see where that might have been.